Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making Million Dollar Chicken Casserole. Now this is a delicious, rich casserole with lots of creamy ingredients like sour cream, cottage cheese, cream cheese, and I'm adding some green chilies for a little spice. Now even though it's called Million Dollar Casserole, the ingredients in it are all budget friendly. So let's get started with this delicious recipe. Now the recipe calls for 4 cups of shredded chicken. I had 2 chicken breasts that I just boiled on the stove with a little seasoning. I'm not sure if it's going to equal 4 cups. It'll certainly do for our meal tonight. Okay, I've put my shredded chicken aside and I blended together 4 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sour cream. I've now added 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 4-ounce can of green chilies. That'll just give it a little extra spice. If you don't like that, you can certainly leave it out. Just gonna blend that together. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 cup of cottage cheese. With the chicken and the cottage cheese, you're going to have a high protein dinner. So I'm just going to mix the rest of this by hand. And I'll go ahead and mix in that chicken as well. I want to take a 9 by 9 inch pan. I'm just going to spray mine with cooking spray. You can also butter it. Now I have 1 full sleeve of Ritz crackers. That's about 30 Ritz crackers. And I'm just going to break those up. And I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Now if you want for a little extra color, you could sprinkle some parsley on there. That's just optional. And then into that bag of crushed Ritz crackers, I'm going to add the butter. And just mix it up. You just want to sprinkle that right over the top. Those good buttery Ritz crackers. Now this goes right into a 350-degree oven, uncovered, and we'll bake it for about 30 minutes. We just want to make sure that it's all heated through and those crackers on top are nice and golden brown. This was in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Wanted to make sure that the top was nice and browned and it got heated all the way through. Now for the taste test of the Million Dollar Chicken Casserole, right out of the oven, so it's super hot. Super creamy, and that Ritz cracker and butter topping, that really makes it. I have to be honest, I was skeptical I was skeptical.
Sorry, did I screw you up?
No, I do that all the time. When I first saw this recipe, I was a little skeptical because it had so much creamy stuff in it. You know, from the cottage cheese to the sour cream to the canned soup. But that's really what makes the creaminess and the chicken really melds together. It's so good. This would be wonderful with a side of like green beans. And that little kick from the green chilies in there is just perfect in here. It kind of gives it almost a little Mexican flavor, like an enchilada or something. And 1 1/4 cup is a serving of this, and it has 26 grams of protein in it. So it's a high protein, very delicious meal. Thanks so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made $1 Million Chicken Casserole. We'll see you next time.